Hello, in this video we are going to talk about the chord segment theorem. So first of all, let's talk about what a chord is. This is a picture of a chord. A chord is a line segment that goes through a circle and it has endpoints on the edges of a circle. It does not necessarily have to go through the center of a circle. So the chord segment theorem shows you what happens if you have two different chords that intersect somewhere in the middle of the circle. They do not have to intersect exactly in the center of the circle, just somewhere within the circle. The intersecting chords form similar triangles that are proportional to each other. So if you can picture what that would look like, it's like this. So you've got these two triangles that are similar to each other, and since they are similar to each other, they end up being proportional. So here's what the proportion would look like. The segment there for A over D is going to be equal to C over B. And what's kind of nice is that you can almost picture this within the diagram. Like you've got A over D is equal to C over B. So sometimes that helps you kind of visualize how to set it up. So let's do an example that's got some numbers here where we're going to try to solve for x. So if we look at this particular picture, we're going to have 4 over 10. So here, if you kind of picture what this would look like, 4 over 10 is equal to x over 12. From there, we're just going to cross multiply. So we're going to start by multiplying diagonally. So if we do 10 times x, we get 10x. And then if we do 4 times 12, that is going to be equal to 48. And then all we have to do from there is solve this equation. For this one, we're going to divide by 10, and our answer will be 4.8. So if you have two chords that intersect inside a circle, all you need to do is set up a proportion and cross multiply.